Now we are here with our SVI experiment, that is determination of sludge volume index. Let us see what are the glassware required for this. So we have Imhoff cone, we have pre-weighed crucibles, we have Whatman filter paper number 40, and we have completely mixed sample. This sample has been collected at the outlet of the aeration tank. So basically it gives us about talks about the efficiency of secondary treatment. You have learned about activated sludge process, extended aeration, etc. So whether these systems they are performing properly or not, whether a treatment plant is performing properly or not, is being checked. So now we are going to put this completely mixed sample, 1 liter sample, in the Imhoff cone. So Ingole sir has mixed the sample, and now he is going to again stir it again so that no solids have got deposited, and he is putting it in the Imhoff cone, as you can see. So you have to fill up to 1 liter mark. Filled it.
Exact.
So you can see that there is a 1 liter mark and the sample has been filled. Now we will allow this sample to settle for 30 minutes, and at the end of 30 minutes, like we have done in settleable and non-settleable solids, here the sample is allowed to settle in the Imhoff cone. You can see immediately, I will show you in the close-up, you can see that the solids have started settling. इंगोले सर तिथे बोट दाखवा, तुम्ही आता दाखवत होते तसं खाली 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 हां तिथे वरती जर थोडंसं वरती हां या बस थोडं खाली हां you can see the solids have immediately started settling. So if in a particular system, if in a particular aeration tank, after the aeration tank, in secondary sedimentation tank, if the solids settle quickly and they occupy very minimal volume and then they don't stick to the sides, it is a good quality sludge, and it is an indication that the treatment is also of good quality, which depend upon the SVI value, which we will be doing further. So after exactly half an hour, again we will start the further part of our video, and we will see how much sludge settlement has taken. Already you will see that solid liquid separation has started, and you can see, if I show you against light, you can see that the solids which are settling, they are nothing but they are called as bioflocs. In our environmental engineering 1, we have learnt about floc formation. So here it is the biofloc, the bacteria, virus, bacteria, they are there, and because of that the organic matter has got stabilized and it is getting settled. So you can see that in the entire column the settlement has started, and in environmental 1 we have seen different types of settlement. So in this secondary sedimentation tank, it is the 4th type of settlement. The solids one over the other, they are getting compressed, and because of the weight of the solids which are settling, further settling is taking place. So we will start further part after half an hour. So now half hour is over. As you can see in the Imhoff cone, you can see the clear distinction between the supernatant and the sludge, and the sludge has got accumulated. You can see that very minimal sludge has got stuck to the sides, and the sludge has got collected at the bottom of this Imhoff cone, and the volume of sludge is 10 ml. Okay, so 10 ml is the volume of the sludge collected. Now we will mix those contents, and we have pre-weighed crucibles for mixed liquor suspended solids, and we have pre-weighed crucible for mixed liquor dissolved solids. So you can again see that there is a Whatman filter paper number 40, as we have used earlier. So the contents will be mixed thoroughly, and these contents will be transferred to the both the crucibles, 50 ml each. See, you can see the contents are being stirred completely. Complete stirring is being done. Now बीकरमध्ये घेणार आहे का कसं? त्या मगाच्या 1 लिटर. So again we will transfer all the contents in 1 liter beaker as earlier, and from 1 liter beaker we will take 50 ml of the sample for MLSS, mixed liquor suspended solids. As the liquor, that is the liquid, is in mixed form as in activated sludge process or extended aeration. The liquor is in mixed form, there is complete aeration, that is why it is called as mixed liquor, and we are taking the suspended solids, and here it is mixed liquor dissolved solids. See, now 50 ml of well stirred sample is taken, transfer it to the first beaker. This is a pre-weighed crucible, so we have the weight with us, and the second will be put through Whatman filter paper number 40. Now as usual, this will require some time, maybe an hour or two. You can see again that it has got started trickling down, but it will require about an hour or so. So we will wait till then, and then both these beakers will be transferred to the oven. As usual, these will be transferred to the oven for oven drying, and we will maintain the temperature of or we will maintain the required temperature. So further part we will see later. Now as you can see, for TDS we had kept the sample trickling through the Whatman filter paper number 40, and it has got collected. You can see this being TDS, total dissolved solids. The other solids, suspended solids, they have got entrapped on this Whatman filter paper number 40, and we have comparatively clear sample which has got collected in the pre-weighed crucible, whereas this is for the mixed liquor suspended solid, mixed liquor total solids. Okay, now these two crucibles we will be keeping in oven as usual for oven drying for 24 hours, and the further part will be done tomorrow. We are near the oven. As you can see, the temperature is set to 103 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 2 degrees is the cutoff, and the two samples for MLSS and mixed liquor dissolved solids is being kept in the oven for oven drying. So 24 hours oven drying will be done, and tomorrow we will take the final weights.